Hi and welcome to the third section of Android styles and themes. In this section, we are going to use the theme in the Android project. In this video, I am going to talk about using a material theme. First, I will give you an overview. Then we will explore theme variants. Next, we will learn about color and text style of the material theme. Finally, we will talk about widget styles. Material themes are only available in Android 5 or above, so we need backward compatibility. We will talk about in the next videos. It has two primary themes, theme.material and theme.material.light. There are lots of material theme variants like theme.material.noActionBar or theme.material.noActionBar.fullscreen. Each one has its own usage. Dark theme has a dark background with light text, and the light theme has a light background and dark text. Let's dive into the code. I created the fresh application which has main activity and activity underscore main as a layout. Here we have text view, button, and checkbox. Open the Gradle file and make sure that your minus decay is set to 21. Open a style.xml file and change your parent value attribute to @Android style /theme.material.light. And also make your activity extend from activity instead of app.compat activity. Now let's run the application and see the result. The material theme has some colors like color primary dark and window background. In this picture, usage of each color is shown. You can define colors in a style.xml file like this code snippet. Let's dive into the code and change the colors. From previous run, you can see the toolbar color and accent color are not correct. For fixing the problem, open the style.xml and add sign Android to color primary. Also, add sign Android to other items too. Run the application and see the result. Now everything is okay. I have changed the color primary dark, and color accent, and also add color text primary and color navigation bar. Open the style.xml and add tag which name is @Android text color primary with value of @color text primary, and also add another tag which name is @Android navigation bar color with value of @color navigation bar. Run the application again and see the changes. There are lots of text styles in a material theme like text appearance.material.body1 or text appearance.material.large. Let's dive into the code and use text styles. First, I want to change the color of color text primary to black. Now open the layout file and add Android text appearance @Android style /text appearance.material.headline, and also add text appearance to button with the value of @Android style text appearance.material.large. Now let's run the application and see the result. Every widget has a default style. For example, button has a widget.material.button as a default style. But you can change it easily in the layout.xml file like first code snippet, or set it once in the style.xml file for the theme like the second code snippet. Let's return to code and use widget style. For button, add a style attribute at Android style slash widget.material.button.inset and run the application. I want to copy the button component and change the text but with the same style. The problem is I should duplicate the style too. Open the style.xml file. Here we can define button style 1. So add item tag with name @Android button style with the value of @Android style slash widget.material.button.inset. Now you can remove the style attribute from button in layout definition. If you run the application, you will see the same result.